Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki. Y'all know what it is and y'all know what it ain't, okay? Y'all know what we here to do. All week long, we busting down Kool-Aids, okay? Oh my God, son. Y'all, my baby is feeling a little bit better, but he is still under the weather, y'all. So, I'm not going to be before you long, okay? Today on the menu, we have the Kool-Aid soda, the orange one, okay, y'all? I have never had it, y'all. I've never even had an orange Kool-Aid pack before. So this is all new to me, but I hope that it's good. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. Cheers. If you ever had it, comment down below and let me know how it was, okay, y'all? I hope that everybody's had a blessed day today. I hope that everybody had a wonderful day. You can comment down below and let me know how your day was. I love to chit chat, so I will chit chat with y'all, okay? If you ever had it, comment down below and let your girl know how it was, okay, y'all? In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Excuse me. Hold on, wait. Let me try it again. And I'm going to let y'all know my thoughts. Hold on. Okay. Trash. Y'all, I think so far this right here is the worst one ever, y'all. This one is nasty. I'm not getting orange at all. It doesn't even smell like orange. Y'all, let me see what I'm getting. Y'all, I'm not getting nothing. This is nasty. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Y'all know me. Every time something nasty, I'm looking to make sure it's not expired. It is not expired, y'all, but this is nasty. Out of a 1 to 10, y'all, I get this a 0. But if I gotta stay on the scale, y'all, I get this a 1. This right here one is not good at all, y'all. I can't even finish it, y'all. It has a nasty, like, beginning taste and aftertaste. Y'all can't get with it, okay? Y'all, that is it for this video, okay? I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video where your girl will be trying the black cherry Kool-Aid soda, okay, y'all? Bye for now. Excuse me.